Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export private key on BONKbot in Telegram. And by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back. All right, so first up, I'm gonna go ahead and tap on Start in here. I'm gonna start fresh, okay? Now what we'll do is just tap on I have read and accept the terms of use. So what we'll do in here, as you can see, there are a lot of things popped out. So just basically tap on wallet. Now, as you can see here, wherever you go, you won't be able to find the private key anymore. But you have the export seed phrase. Okay. So as before, it was called private key. Now it's changed to what? Seed phrase. Okay. So what we'll do is just tap on seed phrase. Now let's go ahead and tap on setup 2FA and continue. Now hit on start. Wait for it. That once done, go ahead and use Google Authenticator right here and set it up. Let's go ahead and copy this code and open up Google Authenticator. Okay, you won't be able to see mine because I'm mirroring my phone right into my computer. So at the bottom right, just go ahead and tap on the plus sign. Okay, there will be a plus sign. Now go ahead and tap on enter a setup key. Now in here, give it a name. Maybe BONKbot, like so. Your key right here, tap and hold, paste. Okay, hit on add, wait for it, and in no time, BONKbot will be available in your Google Authenticator. Okay, so what you'll do is just copy the code from BONKbot. Okay, I'm going to tap on it. Now I'm going to go back to Telegram, like so, and I'm going to paste the copied code from Google Authenticator right here. There you go. Now, if it doesn't do anything, just go ahead and tap on setup 2FA once more. And as you can see here, it knows that we already connected our Google Authenticator. So go back to Google Authenticator and copy the BONKbot code again, like so. Paste that in here. All right. Now, once that's done, /home, type it down, tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on wallet once more. Okay, tap on wallet. Now tap on export seed phrase. There you go. Again, it's going to need our Google Authenticator. I know it's pretty annoying, but it's safer. It works. Okay, paste that in here. There you go. Now what you'll do is just go ahead and tap on this eye icon and it will reveal your seed phrase. Now you can go ahead and save it to a safe place. And then just tap on I saved my recovery phrase right here and hit on continue. There you have it. Okay. That is a new way to export your private key on BONKbot by using Telegram. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.